So in this video, you'll learn how to enable swipe to type on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So the first step is to open the settings app, and then you want to scroll and select general management. From here, tap on Samsung keyboard settings, then look for the option swipe, touch and feedback, and then select it. Next, tap on keyboard swipe controls, and then in order for you to enable swipe to type, simply tap on it once like that. Once you've selected it, you'll now notice that whenever you bring up the keyboard, you can now use this feature. So using swipe to type is fairly simple. All you need to do is simply move your finger across the different characters that you want to type out on your keyboard without lifting your finger from the keyboard. So normally when you're typing, you lift up each finger to press a character, but with swipe to type, you can just go swipe across the keyboard to the characters that you want to use, and then you can see it being typed out on the screen, whether it's a page in notes or an email or a message. So go ahead and use swipe to type. Just swipe your finger across the different characters and then let go of the screen and you can see that word being typed out. And so that's how you can use the swipe to touch feedback on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A26 and A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.